Here at the Polymers Center, we provide the flex and tensile testing. Today we're going to show you a demonstration and discuss the purpose of both tests. Flex testing. This testing is used to determine the flex or bending properties of a material. The test measures the force required to bend a beam of plastic material and determine the resistance to flexing or stiffness of a material. You have to place the sample between two supports and initiate a load using a third point, which are respectively called the 3-point bend. The tensile test applies tensile force up to a material and measures the specimen's response to stress. It determines how strong a material is and how much it can elongate. It measures the force required to break a composite or plastic specimen and then extents to which the specimen stretches or elongates to the breaking point. A material is gripped at both ends of the apparatus, which slowly pulls lengthwise on the piece until it fractures. The pulling force is called a load, which is plotted against the material's length change or displacement. To stress a value and displacement is converted into a strain value.